Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be talking about BlockDAG, and we're gonna be going through their second keynote that just got released 2 days ago. And it's actually from the moon, and the concept and the video is actually really professional and very on a high level. So we're gonna be also in this video talking about the challenges, predictions, and of course the opportunity for BlockDAG, and explaining what is it going and how is it going. And of course, what is BlockDAG, and explain some basic terms about the project. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Of course, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out too. And of course, enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on blockdag.network, the official website of BlockDAG. The links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And in this video, like I said, I'm going to be talking a little bit about this video, and in some parts, I'm going to let you watch it, and we're going to watch it together. And then in some parts, I'm just going to mute the video, and then I'm going to be talking a little bit more in depth about predictions, challenges, and opportunities of BlockDAG. So this video will be taking only the release of the X1 BlockDAG app, updates in the blockchain, and of course global marketing updates, and the all human team docs, and many other things that we're gonna be watching some parts of. So without further ado, let's just hop in the video, and then I will be stopping the video once I'll be hot.
Welcome to our second keynote, brought to you from the moon. But before we get into that, I wanted to address one. Most of you thought the last presenter was AI, so here's proof that I'm 100% human. Today, we're delving into the release of the X1 app, updates on our blockchain, our all-human team docs, global marketing updates, and our significant roadmap enhancements. Stay tuned to the very end, where we've got all the answers to all your questions. Now, join us as we explore the milestones we've achieved, the recognition by prestigious publications such as Forbes and Bloomberg, all bolstered by the support of influential voices in the crypto space. From the launch of our mainnet to the expansion of our ecosystem, each milestone brings us closer to realizing our vision of a decentralized world.
So now I'm going to be talking a little bit about BlockDAG. Of course, the link for this video will be in the description below. And now he's going to be talking about some general things. So I'm going to take the opportunity to talk a little bit in depth about BlockDAG. So BlockDAG Directed Acyclic Graph technology represents a significant evolution in the blockchain paradigm, with the potential to address some of the limitations of traditional blockchain systems. And here are some predictions about its adoption within the crypto ecosystem, along with the challenges and opportunities it may face. So starting first with the predictions adoption, the first thing that we can talk about, obviously, is the increased adoption by innovative projects. So early adopters of BlockDAG technology will likely be projects focused on scalability and high transaction throughput, decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, and high-frequency trading systems. The second point that I'm going to talk about is the integration into existing blockchain, which is obviously a really important thing. So established blockchain platforms may integrate BlockDAG structures or hybrid models to enhance scalability and efficiency as they seek to remain competitive and address congestion issues, and of course, the enhanced support from developers. So as awareness and understanding of BlockDAG technology grow, our developers will experiment, and more developers will be trying to experiment with and contribute to its development, leading to a robust ecosystem of tools, libraries, and applications. And now let's get back to the video.
Ordering. With BlockDAG, nodes must reach a consensus on valid transactions based on the cumulative proof of work done by preceding transactions, ensuring the security and reliability of the DAG. BlockDAG proof of work is integrated with BlockDAG using multiple protocols, including transaction issuance, conflict resolution, proof of work verification, and consensus establishment. This ensures the network benefits from the security guarantees of proof of work, whilst leveraging the scalability and flexibility of DAG structures to achieve high transaction throughput and fast confirmation. This hybrid approach offers a promising solution for building efficient and secure decentralized ledger system. Our DAG formation algorithm forms DAG by initially creating a genesis block. Nodes then form their own blocks, referencing the genesis blocks of round one. This is repeated infinitely with nodes referencing multiple blocks formed in the initial round. The DAG ordering algorithm consumes the DAG from the previous round and outputs a list of blocks ordered in some topological manner. This is achieved by creating an empty list once the DAG has been received. DAG traversal is then initiated in a breadth-first scene.
And now we're going to be talking a little bit about the challenges of DAG. And of course, like I said earlier, this video will be in the description below. So if you need to watch it all or you need more details about what's going on, the website will be there. This video will be there. And their social media accounts from Twitter, Instagram, and many other socials will be also in the description. So make sure you check it out. So now talking about the challenges, of course, BlockDAG has big challenges concerning the implementation and the type of complexity of the implementation, because BlockDAG technology is more complex compared to traditional blockchains, which might slow down the adoption due to the steeper learning curve and all the need for specialized development skills. So the second issue that I see for BlockDAG is the fact that ensuring interoperability with existing blockchain systems can be challenging, and this is crucial for broader adoption as the crypto ecosystem is highly interconnected. And of course, we can also talk about the security concerns, because BlockDAG, while BlockDAG is offering improvements in scalability and efficiency, its security model must be thoroughly vetted and proven to be robust against various attack vectors, which would be a barrier to adoption. And of course, the last thing that I'm going to talk about is the regulatory uncertainty. So the bodies or regulatory bodies are still catching up with blockchain technology, and the introduction of BlockDAG may introduce additional uncertainties and hurdle in compliance and regulatory approval processes. And now, before we get back to the opportunities, I'm going to get back to the video.
The community section before mainnet launch when pre-sale ends. That said, it already gives you a great feel for the product and quality of work we are doing. And through its key features, enables you to invite friends, boost your earnings in advance of the mainnet launch. Download it now. Then stay ahead of the curve and keep an eye out for updates as we seamlessly integrate proof of engagement into your daily device so that you can mine anytime. In addition, we're currently market testing the X10 miners by releasing them to key crypto influencers, and you'll be able to see their unboxing and reviews online shortly. Simultaneously, our focus extends to the refinement of the Blockchain Explorer, where our team is working tirelessly on implementing the blockchain. To date, we've already achieved blocks and transactions functionality with BlockDAG nodes, smart contract transactions, token page, and asset balances to come. This meticulous design process and the establishment of a robust foundation on the stack side will ensure seamless functionality and reliability in parallel with our application development effort. BlockDAG's mainnet launch is just around the corner.
And of course, now we're going to be moving a little bit to the opportunities of BlockDAG as a project and as a really, really interesting project that is now hunting and really going and getting explored by a lot of people and a lot of communities and a lot of companies around the world. And this is a must know. So the opportunities for BlockDAG are scalability and performance. Of course, BlockDAG's ability to handle high transactions, like we said before, throughput can significantly reduce congestion and lower transaction fees, providing a better user experience and enabling more complex applications. Of course, the real-time transactions, like he said earlier, technology can support faster confirmation times, which is crucial for applications requiring real-time data processing and transactions such as gaming and IoT. So the third point that I'm going to talk about is actually the enhanced decentralization. So by supporting a higher number of nodes without comparison performance, BlockDAG can lead to more decentralized and resilient networks. And of course, the new business models, the improved scalability and efficiency can enable new business models and applications that were not feasible with traditional blockchains such as micropayments and decentralized social networks. And of course, now we're going to be giving now the conclusion about this video and of course what I talked about, so you guys can always remember it. And of course, like I said earlier, if you need to watch this video or know more information about BlockDAG, you will need just to check out the video and the links in the description below. All of them are free and you just click those to be while guided throughout this video. So as a conclusion, we can say BlockDAG technology presents a promising evolution in the blockchain space with significant potential to address current limitations in scalability and efficiency. However, its adoption will face challenges related to complexity, security, and regulatory acceptance. Overcoming these hurdles will open up, of course, numerous opportunities for innovation and broader application across various sectors. The crypto ecosystem's ability to adapt and integrate BlockDAG will likely shape the future landscape of decentralized technologies. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about BlockDAG. We went through the opportunity, challenges, and predictions for BlockDAG while watching the second keynote that just released. Of course, the design and everything about this video is just stunning, so you make sure you check it out. All the links and resources will be in the description below. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. I'll try to go through them one by one as soon as possible. Of course, have a good day and ciao, ciao.